Hello guys, welcome back to the channel. In this today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how we can make our Google Sheets editable by everyone. Let's get started. Here I have opened my Google Sheets app on my laptop and we're going to make this Google Sheets editable. So what we're going to do is clicking on the share button. Then you have to change the general access. As you can see that this Google Sheets is still restricted, so we're going to click on this option, then click on anyone with the link. Then wait for a moment, it's still updating. And to make the Google Sheets editable, we can click on this button. Then there are three options for us, and if we want to make it editable, we can click on editor right here. Then after that, we can click on done. And now our Google Sheets can be edited by everyone. Alright guys, and that's how we can make our Google Sheets editable by everyone. I hope this video will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching and see you on the next video.